In a serene village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young woman named Maya. Maya had a heart full of dreams and aspirations, but she often found herself trapped in the clutches of self-doubt. Every time she thought about pursuing her dreams, a little voice inside her head would whisper, "You're not good enough. You'll fail." Over time, Maya's self-doubt grew stronger, and she began to hold back from trying new things. One day, as Maya walked by a tranquil pond, she noticed an old woman sitting on a rock, gazing at the water. The woman radiated a sense of calm and wisdom. Curious, Maya approached the woman and said, "Excuse me, ma'am. I couldn't help but notice how peaceful you look. How do you find such tranquility?" The woman smiled kindly. "Ah, my dear, tranquility comes from knowing oneself and embracing both strengths and weaknesses. But I sense a cloud of doubt around you. Would you like to share your troubles?" Maya hesitated but then poured out her heart, explaining how self-doubt held her back from pursuing her dreams. The old woman nodded. "Self-doubt is like a shadow that dims the light within you. But remember, Maya, even the brightest stars face clouds that obscure their radiance. The key is to learn how to dispel those clouds." Maya looked intrigued. "But how do I do that, ma'am?" The woman gestured toward the pond. "Do you see your reflection in the water, Maya?" Maya nodded. The woman continued, "Just as the water reflects your image, your thoughts reflect your beliefs. When you doubt yourself, it's like ripples distorting your reflection. To overcome self-doubt, you must calm those ripples." Maya listened attentively. The woman smiled. "Every time you doubt yourself, ask, is this doubt based on facts or fear? Challenge your doubts with evidence of your abilities." Maya pondered this advice. The woman then handed Maya a smooth stone. "Take this stone and hold it when doubt clouds your mind. Feel its solidness. Let it remind you of your inner strength." Maya took the stone, feeling its weight. Lastly, the woman said, "Embrace the journey of growth. See each step, no matter how small, as a victory. Just as the lotus blooms from the mud, your potential can rise above doubt." Maya felt a sense of hope. "Thank you, ma'am. I'll try." Months passed, and Maya practiced the old woman's teachings. Whenever self-doubt crept in, she held the stone, challenged her doubts, and acknowledged her progress. Over time, Maya's self-doubt transformed into self-belief. She took steps towards her dreams, facing challenges with newfound courage. With each success, her confidence grew stronger, like a river finding its course. One day, as Maya stood on a hill overlooking the village, the old woman approached her. "You've come far, Maya," the woman said with a twinkle in her eye. Maya smiled. "Yes, ma'am. I've learned to calm the ripples of doubt and embrace my journey." The woman nodded approvingly. "Remember, Maya, self-doubt may visit again, but now you know how to welcome it as a visitor and not let it take residence." And so, Maya's journey continued, now guided by the wisdom that had transformed her self-doubt into a stepping stone towards her dreams. So here are the 4 ways that can help us to get rid of self-doubt. 1. Self-doubt is a normal emotion, but it's important to learn how to manage it. We all experience self-doubt from time to time, but it's important to remember that it's just a feeling, and it doesn't mean that we're not capable of achieving our goals. We can manage self-doubt by focusing on our strengths, setting realistic goals, taking care of ourselves, talking to someone we trust, and seeking professional help if needed. 2. It's important to challenge our doubts. When we doubt ourselves, it's important to ask ourselves if our doubts are based on facts or fear. If they're based on fear, we can challenge them with evidence of our abilities. For example, if we're afraid of public speaking, we can remind ourselves of all the times we've successfully spoken in front of a group. 3. It's important to embrace the journey of growth. When we're working towards our goals, it's important to acknowledge our progress, no matter how small. This will help us to stay motivated and to believe in ourselves. For example, if we're trying to lose weight, we can celebrate every pound we lose, no matter how small. 4. We can learn from the wisdom of others. The old woman in the story had a lot of wisdom to offer Maya. We can also learn from the wisdom of others, such as mentors, teachers, and friends. When we're feeling down, we can reach out to someone we trust for support and advice. I hope these life lessons are helpful. If you learned something valuable from this story, do like, subscribe and comment on the video.